about the much heated debates and talks and divided opinions that seems to be happening over the stray dog menace and the directive that was given by the Supreme Court. Now this incident has now happened in the latest. A stray dog attack incident that has now surfaced from Bengaluru. Two college students from Dr. B.R. Ambedkar School of Economic University were hospitalized after they were mauled by stray dogs. One of the two female students is said to be in a critical condition and has been admitted to the ICU of a private hospital. The other one is said to be receiving treatment for her wounds. Now this incident comes a day after the Supreme Court issued a strict directive to the civic bodies in Delhi NCR ordering them to catch, sterilize and permanently move and shift the stray dogs to pounds or to shelters. The top court also warned that any resistance to the process would invite legal consequences, and right after that such an incident that has been reported from Bengaluru. But as far as top MCD sources are concerned, when we speak of Delhi NCR, the top MCD sources, meanwhile, on challenges that they have been facing in implementing the top court's order, especially when it comes to dogs which are ferocious or rabid or even sick, would be picked up first. Now, this seems to be in a phased manner that this exercise would be carried out. Of course, there are lakhs of dogs there in the vicinity that have to be caught by the civic authorities because the action only being taken against them at the moment. How will Isha, as far as the authorities are concerned, will identify them? Because as far as the MCD sources are concerned, they have been facing fund crunch. They have also been facing as far as exactly when it comes to the land where they will accommodate such shelters for dogs.
Right, Amita, there are several questions that are coming to the fore here, and we have done. Am I audible?
Yes, you are, Isha. Go on.
Yes. So we have been told that we are currently also reporting from a dog shelter. This is in Lajpat Nagar, and you can see that this is a cramped space. In no way can this space accommodate 1,000 to 2,000 dogs. That is also something that is coming to the fore. But we have also spoken to in MCD to our top sources, and they have confirmed to us that MCD does not have the adequate funds to currently construct animal shelters across Delhi, dog shelters across the national capital. They're also stating that meetings are currently underway with the Delhi government, but there is 100% political will, but the practicality of the matter is still being discussed. But in the first phase, Amita, the first thing that will take place is all the rabid dogs, all the sick dogs will be picked up first. That is something that will happen in the beginning of it, and then in the days coming forward, in consequent phases, other dogs will be picked up. But again, the big question, Amita, that is coming to the fore is right now that there are about 8 to 10 lakh dogs in the national capital, and constructing shelters for them in every phase is a Herculean task. In fact, MCD sources have confirmed to us themselves that it is not going to be easy, and they will be needing a lot more funds at the moment. Back to you.
All right. As far as fund crunch, land crunch, all of that as far as seems to be the issues that would be faced by the civic authorities there. But how are they planning, Isha, to carry out this exercise in a phased manner, especially when it comes to identifying the dogs which are said to be ferocious or have previously bitten people or are sick? How will they be picked up first?
Right, Amita, this will be taking place in a phased fashion is what our sources have confirmed. Phase 1 will include the identification of rabid dogs, and the identification will obviously include in ensuring that this is a dog that is actually causing harm to human life. This is a dog that has bitten people in the past, and then that survey will be taking place in the coming days. In fact, the Delhi government and the MCD have also started to take up meetings at the moment, and they will be discussing phases in which these dogs will be picked up. But Amita, these are not a few thousand dogs in question. These are 8 to 10 lakh dogs currently in question, and the point is that there needs to be a lot more planning that needs to be discussed right now. In fact, MCD sources have also said that they have the political will, but they still need to confirm how they will do this entire task. In fact, they've also said that currently they are unsure of how many dogs can even be accommodated in the dog shelters. So right now, planning is not something that the MCD is completely thorough with, and only time will tell if 8 to 10 lakh dogs will be picked up, and if picked up, what conditions they will be put in. Back
All
to you.
right, those developments that are now coming in of the challenges that would be faced by the civic authorities, but this is also coming in for the people there, especially when it comes to dog lovers and animal rights activists. There have been clear, strict instructions that have been given by the top court in this regard, as far as any obstruction coming in the way for the civic authorities would invite legal action. Thank you very much for the moment, Isha, for joining us here on the broadcast. But this is also coming at a time when, prominent personalities, when we speak of politicians and celebrities who have been weighing in on this matter. Leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, has also called the Supreme Court's directive as a step back from decades of humane, science-backed policy. He says that the voiceless souls are not the problems to be erased. Even former Union Minister and animal rights activist Maneka Gandhi has termed the court's judgment as the one that was given in anger. But on the other hand, there are other leaders like Vijay Goyal, a former Union Minister, who has backed the Supreme Court decision. There are multiple RWAs as well who have welcomed the Supreme Court's decision.
All it's going to do is to create a law and order situation. In the last 3 hours, we have received over 3.5 lakh emails from people in Delhi saying, "Hum to ladenge." Are we going to have fighting in this peaceful, beautiful city? So this is not implementable.
पिछले 2 साल से आवारा कुत्तों के काटने के खिलाफ हम आंदोलन चला रहे हैं। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ये जो आदेश दिया है, ये जनहित के अंदर है और RWA ने इनका स्वागत किया। लगभग हर साल 60 लाख कुत्ते काटते हैं।
No country in the world has dogs in a free roaming. They must be neutered, vaccinated, and moved to shelters, or people must adopt. It can't be implemented in the short run, but this is definitely woken up all the stakeholders, and hopefully some middle ground will be reached.
ये सबसे बड़ी फेलियर दिल्ली म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन की और सारे उन म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशंस की है जिनकी जिम्मेदारी होती है कि जो डॉग्स हैं उनको न्यूटर सही समय पे करें। अभी उनको ये तो कह दिया है ये सारे कुत्तों को शेल्टर होम्स भेज दो। शेल्टर होम्स हैं कहाँ? बजट कहाँ है?
Now, more details that are now coming across right after the Supreme Court's directive that has now been given. Now, it seems that the MCD and the Delhi government has now swung into action. Back-to-back meetings that have been taking place, and sources have indicated that there would be 100% political will that would be given, especially when it comes to implementing the order. But there are, when it comes to challenges that continue to persist, especially when it comes to phases that we have been talking about in which this exercise would be carried out, because remember a deadline that has been given by the Supreme Court, 8 weeks time. That means approximately 2 months that has been given by the Supreme Court as far as when it comes to the directive that has to be covered and followed by the civic authorities. Now it seems that the directive of the Supreme Court will be followed and will be done in certain phases, as we've been getting you the details that when it comes to sick and violent dogs or dogs who've had a history of biting humans, they would be picked up first. But of course that would be a challenge as far as how the authorities would be identifying certain dogs are concerned. We're not talking about few hundreds there. We're talking about thousands, and the numbers even go up to lakhs. As far as this exercise on a mass scale that is now being conducted, what is now being said that the political will that needs to be shown here, the MCD says despite when it comes to the challenges and the fund and the land crunch that they seem to be facing, they would be carrying out the exercise as far as the directive that has come in from no other but the Supreme Court itself. Of course, there has been follow-up orders by other state high courts that we speak of. Rajasthan High Court, which has issued a similar directive there. But when we speak of Delhi NCR, there has been multiple issues and cases of dog bites that have been reported. And of course, when it comes to people who have been infected with rabies, which is an incurable disease, many people unfortunately have also lost their lives. We'll get you more on that as far as when it comes to the opinion on this big story continues to remain divided.